In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho Books with Zoho Creator. This process is straightforward and will take us about 5 minutes. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Zoho Books website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the Zoho Books URL or search for it via a search engine if you prefer. Once the site loads, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Make sure you have your username and password handy, or simply use any other supported login method such as single sign-on if that's available to you. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Zoho Books homepage. From here, your next stop is the Settings section. The Settings is usually represented by a cogwheel icon, often located at the top right corner of the page, or it could be a part of a drop-down menu. Click on this to reveal a list of options. With the settings panel open, you'll need to select Developer and Data from the list. This section handles all developer related configurations, so you'll find exactly what you need here. Next, you'll want to click on the Connections option. A connection in Zoho Books allows you to integrate with other platforms, such as Zoho Creator. To establish a new connection, find and click on New Connection. This will bring up another menu where you'll see various options to connect with different applications. It's here where we want to select Zoho Creator to begin integrating with our desired platform. After selecting Zoho Creator, you'll see an option labeled Create and Connect. Click on this button to initiate the connection process. This step will connect your Zoho Books account with Zoho Creator, allowing them to work together seamlessly. And that's it! You've successfully integrated Zoho Books with Zoho Creator. Being able to effortlessly connect these two platforms can greatly enhance your business processes by streamlining your data flow and reducing manual entry tasks. Make sure to test the integration by syncing some data between the applications to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues during the process, consider reaching out to Zoho's support team for assistance or check their online documentation for more detailed guidance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy integration tutorials just like this one.